Right here, the real me. I had to make them fulfill me. I had some folks trying to kill.
What's up, YouTube? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy Drethehardway, back in this thing, another video. There's a will, there is a way. Every day above ground's a good day. We're doing a legit way now. No more ski man as well. Hold on, man. Let me get into some light. Oh yeah, man. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, supporting the channel, supporting the station, supporting the movement, man. Everything, man. I do apologize. I haven't been posting in a while. I just been having a lot going on. I've been having some things I've been trying to take care of. Legal things I've been trying to take care of so I can get my baby all the way together. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, but you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I appreciate it, man. Everybody's been rocking with me. Today's video is gonna be an install video. NoThrottleLag.com. So pedal box install today. Like I said, man, if you just not tuning in, you're new to the station, man, this your boy Drethehardway. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going all the rest of 2021, man. I got some things, other things, business adventures I'm trying to work on figuring out, stuff like that, on top of trying to get my priorities straight. So, you know what I'm saying, that's just what it is. Man, I'm kind of like at a point to where in my life where I feel like I'm in my 30s. So I feel like I messed up so much in my life, so I'm spending my 30s making up for my 20s, and I'm probably gonna spend my 40s making up for my 30s. If that makes any sense. It's something But man, please continue to rock with me, man. This channel, I'm gonna get back to posting, man. I mean dropping like I usually been dropping. If you're not following me on Instagram, man, follow me on Instagram, Drethehardway. Spelled all together, no spaces in between. But look at the whip, man. I ain't seen the whipping. I ain't seen the whip in a while, man. You know what I'm saying? I got some things I'm really trying to do. But some things are stopping it. Like this right here. That's stopping it. So if y'all know any dent places in the DFW area, man, holler at me. I'm probably gonna try to see about my dent place I went to get all my hail damage out of the car. To see what kind of price round they'll do for me. A pedal box. So I'm talking how to break out the GoPro for this install for y'all too, man. So I'm gonna need 2 cameras. So you don't have to work with me. Excuse me. As you can see, pedal control, pedal box. Yeah, man. So, what this is supposed to do for your car, man, is you have any kind of lag in your response time when you're trying to give it the go, and it don't like go immediately, should I say? It's like your car is trying to take a deep breath before it actually, you know what I'm saying, takes off. So this is supposed to stop any kind of kill any kind of throttle lag that you have. So yeah, this is supposed to help your car. It's supposed to give you all your power. So when you step on it, ain't no lag, no nothing. That's just what it is. But yeah, man, pedal box. This is what it comes in. You know what I'm saying? Ain't a whole lot of instructions in this thing. So yeah, y'all saw that. It don't matter. But yeah, pedal box. So you can go to NoThrottleLag.com, get your pedal box. Like I said, man, it's supposed to help your car with any kind of lag. Which I've slowly been kind of noticing just a little bit. So I had to go ahead and get this. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. I'm sure y'all what it looked like. And therefore, so I'm gonna get this GoPro out of the way. Alright, so here we go. This is how this what comes in it. This is it. So you need the installation instructions right there. Little parts or anything like that. So that's it. That's it. And you plug this end into your throttle. And you you plug this into the throttle sensor, and you plug this into the part where the throttle component comes out at. So it's probably gonna be an easy setup, man. It's probably like a 5 or 10 minute job. I think the most hardest part probably is gonna be is trying to get to the small space on your steering wheel column to plug this in and hook this up at. So let's get right on into it, man. Alright now, so like I said, easy install. Y'all got never mind my car, man. My car dirty. But easy install. Clean out my foot. Alright, easy install. So hold on, let me cut on my finger on the way. Let me cut on my flashlight. So hold up. Alright, so like I was saying, my bad. My wife was texting me. So let me take out this hat. So yeah, this pin, this little tab right here, and that little tab right there gotta come out so I can pull this down. I need to get up in here. So let me do that real quick now. I'm gonna turn this camera back on. Now I will say this. For this install, your car has to be off for at least 5 minutes, is what they say. The car has to be off for 5 minutes for it to read it. You know what I'm saying? And you download the app. We download the app first before you connect it. I think it's pedal control is what it is. Download the app, then you do the install. But your car has to be off fully for 5. I'll give it 10 minutes just to be sure. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Let me pull out these tabs. Let me put the camera back on. Alright, y'all. So now, as you can see, I got the thing down, and you can see up underneath mine, and that's your throttle thing right there. You gotta disconnect that, and then hold up, my light went off. So yeah, like I was saying, you gotta remove that, connect that into that, and then you connect this into that. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that real quick, man. Turn this camera back on. Alright, let me clarify something here. You do not connect that into that. Alright? So that goes into this. The throttle response thing that you pulled out, that goes into this. Come on, snap on that. I'll turn around. Oh, I need a cameraman. Alright. So I connected that to that. And now I'm gonna connect this. Oh, my phone getting hot. Too hot. Into the throttle. I can't see now. Hold up, I can't do this with one hand. Let me turn this camera off for a minute. Alright, see, everything's connected. And you can run this. You can install it, I guess, anywhere you want. You know, you don't have to either nail or me. I'm probably just gonna leave it. Like hanging. Not hanging, but not so much. some of that up in there. Put it underneath my floor mat probably. Let it sit right there and chill. Button these back up. And I'm gonna show y'all how this thing works. Alright y'all, so everything's back in place. I had to tuck that wire a little bit more, a little bit better. I'll take care of that. But, alright, so it's hooked up right now. So right now I'm gonna put it on the GoPro, walk y'all through the settings and show y'all how this thing works and everything, you know. And yeah, straight like that. But so I'm gonna show y'all how this thing works. And so like I said, I'm not gonna do a drive today, I'm gonna tell you that right now. So this was just an installation video for y'all, just to show y'all how to install and everything. Driving video I'm probably gonna do, I'm making another video to show y'all what it does to the car, what, you know what I'm saying, yeah, what it does to the car pretty much. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm at 61 subscribers, man. Like I said, I'm humble, man. I appreciate all love and support y'all been showing towards the growth of the channel, the car, the build, everything, man. And I do apologize I haven't been posting, man. Like I said, I've been having some unrelated YouTube things going on. I've been trying to take care of and get it out of the way so I can do more, go more places, you know what I'm saying, so forth. But like I said, man, all right, so I guess y'all gonna get to look at my phone today. All right, so you gotta download the app. Well, you got iPhone or Google Play. So, well, yeah, that was a picture of me and my lovely wife. Never mind that. But yeah, man. So, like I said, pedal control. Hope y'all can see that. I know it's probably, that's one thing about this GoPro. So, these are all the settings and the modes that they have for you. Now, I've already set mine, my personal individual setting. I'll get all my power. So like I said, you can set it however you want to set it, but I don't think these other modes you can't set. Like you can't change the theft mode, you can't change the kids, the eco, or the sport. So, but yeah. So, like I said, it takes a little bit. Like I said, your car does have to be off at least 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure your car is off to at least 5 to 10 minutes before installing, or it will not sync to your car. It will not. I'm stressing that because it will not. I don't think something's wrong with the pedal box. I mean, it's not the what it says. It's not the equipment. It's the operator. But yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna turn on my car. Look at that baby roar. See that green thing on it, means it's on, it's connected, everything. So, like I said, you got, you see that? You got sport. Oh, let me turn that off. Sport, eco, kids, and theft. I think theft, your car will not do anything. Let's see. See, I'm giving it gas. Nothing. You're not getting nothing. So that's good. And then you got kids. And kids are like at 40%. So let's see what they show on the kids. See, they ain't get no power. Man, I just pushed my thing almost to the floor before it actually did something. So that's good. You can see it's not even up all the way. It's like barely. So yeah, just barely. So close out of that. I believe eco is at 90. This is probably what I probably drive on all the time. That's not too bad. But sport is just like if, well, okay. So these are, I heard that these are strictly made for Dodge. So like when you put your car, like most Mopars or most Challengers and Chargers, RTs, Scat Packs, and you know what I'm saying, and Hellcats like that right there, they have a track mode, sport mode, and all that type of stuff. So sport is kind of almost like the same. Never gets old, but see. And then you got your individual. And see, this is your personal setting. This is what you personalize on your own. This is your own personal settings. And you see mine, I got mine all the way up. All the way up. And you can save it. See? So I got right there all HP. Yes, sir. So neighbor's probably mad. Well, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you turn your car off or whatever and cut it back on, whatever mode that you was in last, it's gonna be the same mode that you start your car in. So me personally, I'll probably put mine in theft. So when I come back and start my car up or whatever in the morning time or whatever, it'll still be in theft. But yeah, man, that's how you do it, man. It's like I said, it's maybe a 5 to 10 minute process, but ain't nothing hard about it. You know what I'm saying? Only you really just gotta find out is where your throttle sensor at, and that's just it. That's just it, man. Y'all see it, man. She dirty right now. She ain't that dirty, but she dirty. She nasty. She nasty. But yeah, man. It's gonna be a wrap for this video. Like I said, I gotta clean up my mess. But hey, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man, so far throughout the channel, throughout, you know what I'm saying, everything, man. I appreciate it. And I will be getting back on my stuff. You know what I'm saying? I got some stuff lined up already that's in the works, but I gotta get one thing taken care of before I can even do that. I'm trying to get the car right before April 10th. If anybody out there know what April 10th is, go find out what it is. And yeah, that's just what it is. For the YouTubers call out. If anybody know what that is, just go find out. But yeah, man, like I said, I appreciate everybody, man, right? Supporting the station. Supporting me, period, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Drethehardway. There's a will, there's a way. Every day above ground is a good day. We're doing it legit way now. No more ski man's way. I'm out this thing.